Everybody, you can call me Hunch, and today I'm going to be talking about why I think Bitcoin is going to break its all-time highs. Now, if you follow me, you know I've been talking about this a lot, but I want to get it through your heads because if you're not buying, you're short it, right? You're kind of waiting for it to settle, right? And decision makers make big money and or don't lose money, right? If you're a decision maker, you probably would have sold at the top, and now you should be buying at the bottom. Not financial advice. You do whatever you want. Let's dive into these charts really quick. Okay, so this is the chart pattern at the top. I don't know if you guys remember. It was two dome. Here, I'll tell you the exact name. It's called Three Peaks in a Domed House chart pattern. You know, I'm sure some people would see other things, but this was the double top, okay? It didn't go higher per se, but it was generally like this, right? You had the top, dropped back down, double top, and now we've just been going down ever since. So from this chart, what I want you to realize is if I can zoom in here, right? This down here is almost the exact opposite of this, okay? It looks very similar. I know you can't see it because it looks just like a bunch of candles, but just squint, okay? And I'm telling you, I see it and it's similar, okay? Now, something else very important happened today. And I put this in some previous videos, so if you want to kind of go look below at my recent Bitcoin videos of why I think it's going to break all-time highs, possibly go to 250. I didn't just pull that out of my, you know, the cheeks or the air or whatever you want to use. I listen a lot to who I respect, especially, and I say respect their opinions, who I find credible, right? So I just want you to listen for 2 seconds.
Retailer can easily accept Bitcoin, which they kind of can now with OpenNode.
It's going to be very important.
They're going to realize that they can bring another 2% right to their bottom line.
Okay, that's it right there. They can bring another 2% to the bottom line. Now, what does that mean? That means it's billions and billions and billions and billions and billions of dollars, right? If they get off the current payment rails, okay? Now, look at what just happened today. Lightning is live with Clover. Strike officially integrated with Fiserv. So if you don't know Clover, it is exactly like Square. They have those terminals. A lot of small retailers use them, right? And small retailers are where or are the customers or the stakeholders that need to save money, okay? So if you go through the video, right? Keep going. Lightning Network, you'll see she has Cash App. Okay, she's going to scan the QR code. There's no third-party intermediaries. It's going through the Lightning Network. USD, okay? They don't need to necessarily take Bitcoin, even though I'm sure they can, right? So what is he saying? That is directly that, okay? Now look at the chart, okay, and connect the dots. I know this is very difficult for you. And listen to me or not, I just want to throw this out there because I'm not trying to be arrogant, but I called the top, right? I go reference the video, right? I said we're going into a severe crypto winter. There's so many L1s with all this market cap, all this liquidity. It's going to crash, blah, blah, blah. Go watch the video. It's like literally a year ago. I am telling you, I think this is the bottom, not financial advice. Listen to any person you want. All the gurus are saying sideways. That is another reason I think we are going to at least break all-time highs, and I think it's going to 250,000 within this year or the next year after that. Okay, you can call me Hunch, baby.